Just checking the clearance here. Rear 09 G6 exhaust manifold. This is the one that points straight back. You can kind of see that without notching out the trunk, it's not going to clear. It's very, very tight down in here. I have to cut out the trunk in order to get that to fit. So underneath shot. So it looks like I would just have to, yeah, I'd have to pretty much cut the whole trunk out. Oh, would be kind of cool, a little twin turbo setup or something. So I probably won't be able to use that one. I'll have to use the turn down one most likely. So I'll show you what that one looks like. Ugh. And I doubt I can have that rear facing manifold going in this direction, but I'll give it a shot and see what it looks like. Well, I don't even have to get this one into place to see that it's not going to work. Way too much stuff going on back here. There's the flange. It's practically hitting the firewall, so I can't use that flange. Can't use that rear facing manifold on the back for sure, so I'll try the one that points down. Well, I can't find the one that points down at the moment, so I guess we'll just have to skip it. So, alright guys. Okay, so here is a factory 3900 manifold where the crossover pipe will come around and it'll attach to this back from this head here. So you can see the clearance here is actually much better. Much better angle. A little bit more clearance. I don't know if I want to do it this way because I'll show you. If you look up under here, you got 3.9 liters worth of air dumping on a 2-inch opening. It's pretty restrictive, I think. So I think what I might just end up doing is cutting the trunk out if I want to do maybe do a big single and try to go for a ton of power with a big single. Then I can use that other rear facing manifold and merge them into one big pipe into the turbo instead of having this tiny little 2-inch, 2-inch opening feeding 3.9 liters worth of turbocharged air. Not good. It's just going to be restrictive. So there's that. So in case anybody else is thinking of a 3900 swap and you use the factory crossover style pipe, it will actually clear pretty good without cutting your trunk out on a factory 3900 swap. So just something to think about, guys, if you want to do that too. Yeah, you got finger and a half fingers width in here on an unmolested trunk. Alright guys,